In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Mercari discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Mercari discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called simplycodes.com. As you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, we have the today's best deal, which is $10 discount. So if you want to use this one, you can simply tap right here to copy the promo code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one from right here and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find this website which is called retrieve.com. And as you can see right here, we have also some promo codes. Let's say for example this one with 28% discount. If you want to use this one, simply tap right here on the copy code option. And as you can see, the code has been copied right here, and you can apply this promo code in order to get this 20% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.